Yamaha's new half-faired, all-rounder version of the popular MT09 three-cylinder roadster is currently being put through its paces in Spain in the hands of MCN executive editor Phil West. Here are his first impressions. On first glance it was obvious the new Tracer is far beyond being U2018 just an MT09 with a fairing. It also has new clocks, revised ergonomics and more. And that impression is stronger still in the flesh. The MT09 Roadster, at least now the fueling has been improved, was already one of the perkiest, best value packages around. Now, with a hefty wodge of practicality cunningly grafted on, yet with the price still kept under $38,200. It gets better yet. In short, the Tracer promises that elusive triple crown of being fun, great value and versatile. And on the strength of my ride so far it looks like they achieved just that. The fairing is neatly done and, for my money, actually greatly improves the MT's looks. One of my few criticisms of the unfaired bike. The new clocks are classy. The riding position comfortable and natural, and the ride a thrill. Read Phil's full test in the December 31st issue of MCN. XA0.